Dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back, no more dinos riding the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Doc and he said, stop this chaos on the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark. Stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding.
I was so lucky.
2 broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch and witch said oops. Fix the train, fix it soon, let's fix the train. Hi Joe, they fixed the train. All dinos back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them all and says, let's ride the Dino train today. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino Bubble, bubble, don't pop, pop. Something scary makes you stop. Kitty says, stay close to me. Baby shark, what can it be? Bubble, bubble, and go slow, slow, slow. All history's about to show. Bee and baby shark are playing. Bubbles flying, kids are spraying. Pop, 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 goes every side. Laughing loud with happy pride. Bee bubble back, yay, yay, yay. Play with bubbles all the day. Suddenly silence in the air. Bubbles stop, nothing's there. Sky turns dark, very slow. Cold wind starts to blow. Baby shark whispers, I don't like this. Kitty says something is wrong. Subble bubble, where you go? Something strange is starting to grow. From bubbles something nice is fly. Big round face in the sky. No hands, no feet, just cawing face. Spinning slowly in the place. Monster says, give me light. Baby shark hides in fright. Oh no, no, what is that? Kitty and silly bubble salute. Baby shark, wait, that's it. Kitty laughs, it's just a little break. Bubble monster, go away, go. Who bubbly? I'll never do. She raises one up to the sky. Bubble magic, let's try. Sparkles everywhere, okay. To send the scary K. Kitty shark is happy now. No more fear, just fun tonight. Bubble, bubble, okay. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies, baby shark says no, 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 I don't want to sleep right now. Rock, rock, lullaby, kitty sings the moon so high. Baby shark jumps on the bed, pillow bouncing on his head. Blanket flying through the air, toys and bubbles everywhere. He says, I'm not sleepy now, then makes funny sharky sounds. No, 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 don't sleep that night, baby shark is jumping set. Kitty walks in soft and slow, moonlight starts to gently glow. Tiny stars float in the room, Kitty hums a sleepy tune. Baby shark still wiggles fast, Kitty smiles and sings at last. Rock, rock, sleepy night, close your eyes and hug tight slide. Kitty sings la la loo, magic sparkles shining blue. Clouds are floating way up high, sleepy moon lights up the sky. Oh no! Baby shark slows down a bit, yawns and stretches tiny fins. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, Thrippy shark knows where you are. Soft breeze blows the curtain slow, nightlight makes a gentle glow. Baby shark hugs Teddy tight, everything feels warm tonight. Kitty whispers, close your eyes, dreams are waiting in the sky. Just for you. Sleep, sleep, drift away, dreamy nighttime ends the game. Baby shark now snores so sweet. Tiny tail under the sheet, Kitty smiles and tucks him in. Magic lullaby rings again, moon and stars shine way above. Nighttime filled with sleepy love. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies, sweet dreams lullaby saves the